Hello, everyone. My name is Suranjita Chaudhary, and I head product marketing at Litmus. So, the last time we spoke about OEE, an interesting conversation came up around data visualization and data analytics, two very closely related fields, yet vastly different in many ways, I think. But more oftentimes than not, I realized how we tend to talk about them almost interchangeably. What's data visualization? Data visualization is the process of translating data into a visual format. It could be a chart, a graph, or a map. The goal of data visualization is to make data easier to understand and interpret. Data visualizations can be used to identify trends and patterns, compare data sets, and communicate insights to others. Then, what is data analytics? Well, it's the process of collecting, cleaning, and analyzing the data to extract meaningful insights. Data analysts and data scientists use a variety of statistical and machine learning techniques to identify patterns and relationships in data. Then they use these insights to make recommendations and improve decision making. Let's break this down into three key differences: purpose, methods, and output. Purpose. The primary purpose of data visualization is to communicate information clearly and efficiently to users by presenting it visually. Data analytics, on the other hand, is focused on identifying and understanding the underlying patterns and relationships in data. Methods. Data visualization often uses charts, graphs, and maps to represent data. Data analytics, on the other hand, uses a variety of statistical and machine learning techniques to analyze the data. Output. The output of data visualization is a visual representation of data, such as a chart, graph, or map. The output of data analytics is typically a written report or presentation in graphical format. Think of any data visualization tool or UI that communicates the insights gained from the analysis. So as you think about analyzing and visualizing your data, here are 5 common pitfalls to avoid. Focusing on visualization without analytics. It is important to remember that data visualization is not a substitute for data analytics. Visualization can help to communicate insights gained from analytics, but it cannot replace the need to analyze data in the first place. Not understanding the data. It is important to have a good understanding of the data being visualized before creating a visualization. This includes understanding the meaning of the data, the relationships between the different variables, and the limitations of the data. Using the wrong analytics tools. Using incorrect analytics tools can waste time and resources. Some analytics tools may have security vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers. This could put the business's data and systems at risk. Not considering the audience. When creating a visualization, it is important to consider the audience. What do they need to know? What level of detail is appropriate? What type of visualization will be most effective? Not telling a story. Data visualizations should always tell a story, and a story needs context. Data that lacks context can barely tell a story you need to convey to the right audience, making the decisions for your operations and the overall business. At Litmus, we start by collecting every nugget of data, normalize it for the users on the shop floor through the enterprise to understand the data, and then process the data to enrich it with additional context using flows managers and off-the-shelf KPIs in Ready Analytics. We give the flexibility to the user to visualize the data in a way that works best for their use case or audience. Whether it is on the pre-included Grafana dashboard or a more advanced visualization and business intelligence tool like Power BI, or a popular open source tool like Elastic, the choice lies with the customer. Until next time, let's keep doing more with data the right way. Thanks for watching.